Finally got the F100 back from the mechanic. It is October 26th. The last time I filmed was sometime in the summer. And why I haven't posted? Because it broke down. Just driving home from work, and I destroyed my timing gears. Show you guys. But yeah, since the last time you guys saw it, I destroyed my timing gears. I completely destroyed them. They were in like 4 different pieces. And I took it to get fixed. I also put a new distributor in. I gotta take all that tape off when the mechanic was trying to time it correctly. So distributor's new, timing gears are new. It's got a new water pump, new thermostat, and a new module. So it's got a little bit of work done to it, but I'm gonna have to take it back in for another run because the carburetors. I'm thinking the mechanic couldn't get the timing set correctly. So what he did was he advanced the carburetor a bunch, and now it wastes a bunch of gas. Sounds like it's overworking itself. So yeah, engine wise it runs, but it needs a tune up before I could daily it again. As far as the exterior, I don't know if you guys could tell. Oh, gas thing's missing because they took it for sampling, because I'm gonna get some paint work done on it. But yeah, exterior wise, I don't know if you could tell. Nah, you can't tell. Let me show you guys. And there you'll see a new hanger and new shackles. I put a 4-inch rear lowering hanger and shackles. It looks better. I mean, it's not low like we're used to seeing when you have this sticker, but it is lower in the back. It's basically leveled out. It's actually 1 inch shorter in the back, or lower in the back than it is in the front. So what I'm thinking about ordering is new springs, the 2-inch lowering spring, and that would leave it 1 inch lower in the front, and then I would just have to take off one of these lower leaf springs, just the bottom one, and I've heard that lowers it about 1 inch. But if I don't do that, then just probably cut the front spring off so it lowers 1 inch in the front, so it's completely level. But yeah, so my truck has just been sitting at the mechanic for the past 2 months, trying to get the timing gear installed and replaced. The water pump, the thermostat, and the new distributor was all getting installed. And the guy told me it was going to take a week. Then a week went by, then 2 weeks, and 3 weeks, and it ended up being 2 months. So it's just been sitting there. Finally got it back today, as I was saying. But yeah, it just took a little bit longer. As far as future things I need to do, I'm speaking to some guy. Let me show you guys his Instagram so you guys can go follow him in case you want to do some work with him. But basically he's gonna do some touch-up paint work. He's also gonna do the bed liner for my truck, and he's gonna fix my floor pans because they've got some rusting going through it. He's gonna take them out, patch it, and then spray some bed liner on it and some kind of coating for it so it doesn't keep rusting. After that, just install the sound deadening material and the carpet, and it should be good. So hopefully with the bed liner in, and then he's also going to touch up my grill. I don't know if you guys remember. Oh, you guys do remember. He's gonna touch up my grill. I painted it black just as a cheap way to do it, but he's actually gonna paint match it to red, and I'm gonna leave the headlight inserts and the inner grill part black with chrome. So I think it's gonna look better. That's how I want it to look. And then as far as exterior stuff and stuff I need to fix, that's pretty much it. Exterior is just the bed liner that needs to get done and paint match that grill. And then he's gonna do a little bit of touch up paint here and there that it got a little chipped and fucked up, but he's gonna fix that for me. What else? I've got new rims. I picked up some American Racing Venturas. I think they were, I don't even remember what they were. It's been a minute since I picked them up. They're 17 by 10 inch wide. And then I need to buy some tires for that and get them installed and all that. But those are ready to go. I actually polished them so they look good. But what else do I need to do? Yeah, it's pretty much. Oh, I need to get this stereo fixed. Let me show you guys. This thing's outdated. This thing, it's a piece of shit. It's just outdated. I need to get a new one in there. I was thinking about maybe buying the retro. I think it's called the Retro Sound. It looks like the original one, kind of. Damn, he was a wild man. It looks like the original ones, except it's got Bluetooth and all that stuff on it. I probably won't be the one doing the sound because I hate electrical. I hate radios. I hate all that stuff. I'll probably hit up one of my friends to do that for me. If not, I'll hit up. There's some local spots I could go to get it done. And I already tried looking at it. I pulled it out, and it looked like a fucking rat's nest. So I'm not messing with that. But yeah, that's where the F100's at. That's where it's gonna be at for a while, and I'll keep you guys updated with it. Keep you guys updated with the project. Let you guys know what's going on. My plan was, because I recorded a bunch of stuff, and my plan was to keep uploading everything I did, but I was recording off my iPhone. I lost the footage. Also, it broke down. How to get it fixed. I'll throw clips in. When I broke down, I was on the highway. I was in the second lane, in the middle lane, and it broke down. As far as the project, that's where it stands at. And damn, who the fuck is out here ripping your shit? But yeah, expect some work done.